भूकड़
ये भी खाता है.
मैं खा रहा हूँ. नहीं.
भूख तो सबको लगती है. A way to a girl's heart is through food. Noted. हाँ,
Noted.
For the one person, if you are watching, get lost.
Get lost.
Stop the video here.
If you're tuned, stop tuning.
Hey, hi, I'm Riddhi.
Hey, hi, Mar. Sorry. ये CEO है.
Hey, hi, I'm Riddhi, CEO and founder.
Hey, I'm Arush, management head.
And welcome to Questions with Prarambh.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Posted NGL on my account. Na?
Yeah. First she did it. Then she was so bored, she made me do it.
Yeah, so we hosted NGL
On Prarambh as well.
personal account. And twice on Prarambh.
Twice? हाँ.
Yeah. So we've answered those questions here and there. But today we'll answer it like order-wise, properly. Okay. And taking opinions of both of us. First question. Why is Prarambh? Prarambh is because we are.
Wow! Let's go.
Why did we start it though? Yeah, because we wanted a MAN organization. Somewhere where there are beginner-friendly people that come in. Because apart from NPSMU and all the MUNs we have attended are not beginner-friendly.
Yeah, they are very formal. Like this also will be formal, but not for beginners.
Yeah.
For beginners, others are not for beginners though.
You should learn something and go more than
Yeah.
that. Exactly. Then rather than winning, you should know and learn something and go.
Yeah.
Exactly. How much would you rate India's startup atmosphere on a scale of 1 to 10? It's an actual question, by the way.
Oh my goodness.
Mm-hmm.
Who is it?
You cannot see who is it. Exactly.
I think it's...
Okay, no, we are not supposed to say. We don't know. We don't know.
Okay. India is pretty much going ahead in
Mhm.
terms of startups.
Yeah, true.
Maybe 8 or 9. 8.
Yeah, same. There's a lot of young generation,
8. Yeah.
employment rate, because population ही इतना ज़्यादा है. But more than that, I think one mark we would cut for a fact that many of the people from India, students, go abroad. So that, हाँ.
The Indian entrepreneurship is too much,
Mm-hmm.
but they have started it not in India. Like they
Exactly.
should start in India.
And give employment opportunities to people in India. Yeah, true. Also the fact that as young founders, you're also told ki study, which is important.
Yeah.
But you know, when you enter a room where there are people older to you, they say your opinion does not matter as a 16-year, 17-year or 18-year-old. So that one grade we would cut
Can
for
you
them.
use Hindi?
हाँ, हिंदी में बोल सकते
Yeah. So I have heard this line. It is extremely apt.
हैं.
छोटी जनरेशन को अभी तक कुछ पता नहीं है. पिछली जनरेशन बूढ़ी हो गई, इसीलिए हम जो कहते हैं वही राइट. दिस इज अ प्रीटी मच constant opinion of everyone.
True. Yeah, true. And that's a bit tough to like make people understand that we also make a mark in the world. Like they make you stuck in the system. Like go for a degree, then go for a college. Like when he joined Prarambh, there were 10,000 people telling
Yeah.
him. Yeah.
I am currently doing. Can I?
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
say that.
I'm currently doing my JE prep. Even my classmates, they were like, "Can you do this? Can you manage your studies?" It's my business. Can I?
Exactly.
And literally, it's my business.
Yeah, and for a fact, more than it being your business or my business, you need to know that to define is to limit. Wow! I'm doing this, then I'll do this only. You can try many things because one person does not do one job for so many years. If you are agreeing to do that, you do. But we are not such people.
And if you observe, freelancing is also trend these days.
Exactly.
Multiple job opportunities are everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
it's pretty common. You cannot deny that.
And if you see, the Riddhi Kohli in school was everywhere apart from studies. So like, do shit that you like. Don't care about, it does not matter. Yeah, we were on startup. So we rate the startup atmosphere 9.
9.
Yeah, 9. How do you make a plan to start? Tough ones. Okay. What do you think?
To start.
Yeah, to start something like this. I think we started on a very pretty like basic note. हमने ऐसा कुछ बैठ के प्लान वान नहीं किया है कि ये पीपीटी बनाएंगे फिर ये करेंगे. We like लोगो बनाया,
Like
नाम बनाया.
Like I think the first conversation was, let's start an MBA.
Exactly.
I think right over here.
Yeah.
She told me, let's start up MBA.
And then it got forward. Yeah.
And it started.
Yeah. I think 99% of our life is confidence. Wow! Put this in a movie. 99% of our life is confidence, and with confidence the thing is you don't know whether it is like real or fake. Nobody knows whether you are faking it or it's real. So just be confident and start it. Exactly.
True.
And when we started, like the classmates, our classmates, very people nearest and dearest ones were the ones to tell us it's not gonna work out. But their opinion does not pay our bills, so
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
we don't give a damn.
True.
Yeah.
True.
So just do it. Like, make a name, make a logo, start. Aage ka you'll see on the way, because everything cannot be planned. Exactly.
Some things work, some things don't. What
Yeah.
don't, you figure them out.
Exactly. And if you plan everything, then you don't leave space for God to enter and do the magic that He does every time.
Yeah.
All the
true.
additions that He makes. Yeah. Okay. Next question. When will your first MUN take place?
It's mystery.
Twice this question. मैं तो ऐसे रील बनाने वाली थी, ये डाल के फिर लिखेंगे. टाइम लगेगा.
Time लगेगा.
Soon.
Biggest mystery of the universe. Soon. Coming soon.
Soon. Yeah, soon is the word
Yeah.
people use. It's also there on my vision board.
That's a vision board.
Now people will on purpose zoom and see what it says. Okay. Are you gonna come to Nalanda and tell all the students about the money? Good question.
Maybe not.
Yeah, we will. Because I think Nalanda is where we all started.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Love to Neha ma'am.
Yes.
Love you so much. She was the reason we are here. We have reached
We
here.
still have our message.
Exactly. You know, when I started moneying, I didn't know what mun is. I used to call it moon.
Moon.
Exactly. I didn't know anything. And then comes Neha ma'am in the picture. I want you to win the gold this year. And she registers my name. And I start with, I am Riddhi Kohli. Exactly.
In a month, you start with, I am Riddhi Kohli.
Yeah. But then I start and then I apparently win the gold. But it's all Neha ma'am. It's all Neha ma'am. Love
Yeah.
you, Neha ma'am. Yeah. She knows the potential. That's
She
the
can.
biggest thing she can do as a teacher. Yeah. When is your first month?
Again? Second?
Second question.
Third rather.
Yeah. Time lagega.
Time lagega.
Okay. Who all are there on the team? Okay.
Should we list them or should we tell them to visit our Instagram page?
Yeah, we can list them. Yeah, we list them.
We list them, but you still have to visit our
No,
Instagram
no.
page.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Excuse me. Why there was this trend, na?
Yeah. You have to visit our Instagram page at any cost.
Yeah. Follow.
Yes, follow
Okay. Arshinde.
Riddhi Kohli,
Okay. Smith
Shah.
Shah, Kabir Ruparelia. So if I am not spelling the surname correctly, sorry. Vihan Kulkarni and Tejal Bhatia. All of them great people.
Samika.
Samika
Samika
Karnani.
Karnani.
Yes. Let
One
us,
more Nalan.
Yeah.
She's the fourth Nalandite.
Yeah. Fourth Nalandite on board.
1, 2,
Tejal
Tejal and Samika.
Let's introduce the new person.
Amazing.
On board. Great. She has made. I can show you. She has literally made a damn freaking schedule to tell us, oh my god, this we are gonna do, this we are gonna do, this we are gonna do. Best social media head we can ever get. All you see on our Instagram is because of Samika. So thank her.
Kudos to Samika.
Love you, Samika. Love you. Great work. Great work. We'll be introducing her soon.
Officially, it
Yeah.
will come soon.
But this is an announcement we are making that
Amazing.
Diva is on board. Okay. Next question. Is there a fight that is going on between the team members?
There were 3 people.
We won't call it a fight.
It wasn't a fight, of course.
Disagreement or something like that.
Work ethics,
Yeah, we were not.
clashes.
Yeah. 3 people on board. One was the finance manager and other posts as well. It's okay. Whatever. So what happened is, yeah. We introduced them. Also, but there was no official recruitment that happened. But there was a bit of
Work clashes, ethics.
yeah, ethics and
Consistency.
deadlines. Exactly. So because of that, we had to kind of leave them behind and go ahead. But still, no hate to those people.
Yeah.
Like whatever it is, it was not working for us, and that's why we had to take them out. Nothing else. Still. Okay. Next, what are the tasks appointed to the creative department?
Creative.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Creative.
Social media.
Social media is a big thing.
Social media gets into your head because you're supposed to scroll reels and go through trends and see ye banana hai, ye nahi banana hai, ye banana hai, ye nahi banana hai. It's crazy. It's crazy. Also making brochures, PPTs, and it's irritating because
Like you have to go around, no, this is wrong. You have to correct
Exactly.
this. You have to
Exactly.
make many versions of the same thing.
mm-hmm. And then 10 times people are going to tell you ye galat hai, ye spelling
Yeah.
galat hai, ye galat hai, ye change karo. And then you have to
Additions,
keep
subtractions,
changing.
changes,
Exactly.
go on and on.
That's irritating. So that's the work to the creative. Patience.
Patience.
Mm-hmm.
Hats off to their patience.
Yeah, Tejal and Samika.
Both.
Extreme patience.